6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:40 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located along the line extending from Dallas Center to a delta 5 miles west of Van Meter and moving east at 5 miles an hour. Hazard: 70 miles an hour wind gusts and golf ball-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impacts: expect wind damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Law enforcement and the public are also reporting a dark red coloration within the cloud tops from these thunderstorms. Locations impacted include 5. Urbandale, Cumming, Norwalk, Carlisle, downtown Des Moines, Henderson, Avon Lake, Pleasant Hill, Boonville, Lovington, Arilla, and Waukegan. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Iowa: Dallas, Madison, Polk, and Warren. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Des Moines Sheriff's Office and the Iowa State Police Department. An unusual situation is currently unfolding in downtown Des Moines. As thunderstorms continue to roll through Polk County, residents have reported a dark red coloration within the clouds. It has also been confirmed that the rain and hail precipitating from these storms is also a dark red color, with the raindrops reportedly having the consistency of human blood. Persons that were exposed to the storm and came in contact with the blood-like rainfall suddenly experienced strange behavior and unusual physical changes. These reported changes resemble stereotypical characteristics of vampires, including the following: pale skin, change in eye color to red or black, growth of fangs, strong and sudden hunger and thirst, sensitivity to light, and aggressive behavior. Authorities are at a loss to explain this unusual phenomenon. To ensure the safety of the public, residents are asked to shelter in place until further notice. Do not go outside, as doing so puts you and others around you at risk. Cover any concealed cracks with a damp cloth or towel to prevent exposure to the bloody rainfall. If you or anyone around you has been exposed and is experiencing the listed symptoms, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned to this station or other media outlets for further developments on this dangerous situation as they become available. The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Crittenden County in eastern Arkansas, central DeSoto County in northwestern Mississippi, northern Tunica County in northwestern Mississippi, southwestern Shelby County in southwest Tennessee, until 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:13 p.m. Central Standard Time, a cluster of severe thunderstorms was located near Jeanette to Council 28 miles north of Austin, Mississippi, and moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazards:
60 miles per hour wind gusts and $5 hail. Source: radar indicated. Impacts: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. These storms have also exhibited a dark red coloration within their cloud tops. Locations impacted include Anthonyville, Amonka, Edmondson, Salt Haven, Memphis, West Memphis, Horn Lake, Germantown, Lake Cormorant, Tunica Resorts, Walls, Hollywood, Hernando, and Horseshoe Lake. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Crittenden County, Arkansas, and the following counties in Mississippi: DeSoto, and Tunica, and Shelby County, Tennessee.
Civil danger for the state of Iowa. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Iowa State Police Department. The current situation in the downtown area of Des Moines is currently happening in other areas across central Iowa. The bloody rain coming down from these stationary thunderstorms are quickly turning residents into vampire-like creatures. It has also been reported that these people who were transformed into vampires are attacking residents by means of biting and draining their blood for nourishment. The bites have also been reported to transform the victim into vampires as well. This is quickly turning into a deadly situation. At this time, it is strongly recommended to listen to the following instructions, as they are crucial to your survival. Do not venture outside, as doing so will either expose you to the bloody rain, or put you at risk from being attacked by vampires. Vampires can't be identified by the following characteristics: pale skin, red or black pupils, large fangs, extreme strength and speed, heightened sense of smell, sensitivity to light, and extreme hunger and thirst. Vampires still retain memory and speech capabilities, so it is difficult to determine if someone is actually a vampire at first glance. Once again, do not venture outdoors. Do not respond to any stimuli from outside your home. Anyone who has been turned into a vampire is considered to be compromised, and must be terminated immediately. Vampires can be killed with a silver stake or silver bullet to the chest, so use this method, if possible, to eliminate the threat. If obtaining a firearm is not an option, it is confirmed that they can be deterred with the following items: a crucifix, holy water, garlic, and fire. If you own any of these items, use them to your fullest extent. The duration of this dangerous event is not known at this time. It is also unknown what actually caused this situation to develop. Please stay tuned to this station for the latest news and updates on this life-threatening situation as they become available. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. A grave danger exists for all residents in the continental United States. Vampire attacks that originated within the cities of Des Moines, Iowa, and Memphis, Tennessee have been reported all across the eastern and midwestern United States. Thunderstorms producing raindrops resembling human blood are forming and transforming residents into vampires, who have then attacked residents sheltering in their homes. The current estimated death toll is over 420,000 and rising. This is quickly turning into a cataclysmic situation. It is still unknown what the motive or cause behind the situation is at this time. To ensure your survival, all residents of the United States are strongly advised to take shelter in the lowest level of your homes. Do not go outside for any reason. Board up doors and windows from the inside. Vampires still retain memory and speech capabilities, so it is imperative that you do not respond to any stimuli from outside your home. Any person who has been transformed into a vampire is considered compromised and must be terminated without hesitation, even if they are loved ones. Vampires can't be slain using a silver bullet or silver stake through the heart, so use this method if possible. Vampires can also be deterred using the following items: a crucifix, holy water, garlic and fire. Using these items against them increases your chances of survival. Also, make sure you have inadequate supply of food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, and a battery-operated or hand crank radio. These provisions should last up to 2 weeks. It is unknown how long this situation is expected to last, so please stay tuned to media outlets for the latest details and updates on this horrific situation. The president is currently being moved to a secure and classified location, where he will later address the nation on this ongoing crisis. Please stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WDVF. We will continue to serve the Nashville area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Nashville area. Do not use your telephone. Telephone lines are to be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.